Can we remove facial verification in Binance? In today's quick video, I'll show you whether we can remove or reset facial verification in Binance. So let's get started. But you need to know that this video is for educational purposes only. Always follow Binance term and security guidelines. First, open the Binance app, or you can go to binance.com and log into your account. Now tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen, then go to settings. From here, scroll down until you find privacy center or security. Simply tap on it. Here you might find an option called identification settings. Now tap on it. If you don't find it, simply tap on rectify personal data. Now all you need to do is simply appeal. Just select the reason why you want to reset it. After you've chosen the reason of your appeal, simply tap on continue. Now you may need to submit request with documents. Just upload a valid government ID and a selfie if required. And after that, you can remove or reset facial verification on Binance.